Welcome and thanks for watching. I'm out here today and we got another product in from Feyachi, and it's a tactical flashlight, and this is the WL25. So I'm going to bring the cameras down and we're going to take a look at this. Okay. Right out of the box, you got your user manual, and this is, like it says, the WL25 flashlight. Now, this is high 1200 aluminum. It comes with a charger, a pressure switch, and your charging cables. So let's take a look at this. This is your charger, and this is your charger cord. So let's see. This is your pressure switch right here, and we got some hardware. Okay, you can take this accessory rail off and to hook up onto your regular rail, and you can put, it's got the M-lock mounts here to directly hook up onto your M-lock mounts. And this is the little flashlight. Now, it's got a battery in here, and I guess that's an extra one because this is, let's see if, yeah, it's already got a battery in it. And so we got one, actually, I think this has just got 2 mode settings. You got the strobe and then just your light. And just, I don't know if you can see that on there, but that's pretty bright. And then it's got a hook up to hook up directly to your reel, your Feyachi reel. Now, we've got our little 9mm carbine, and this gun has been cleared, guys, and I'm gonna take the clip out, and the clip is empty. And slides lock back. And we're gonna mount this right up to this rail here and let you take a look at that, how it looks. So give me just a second. Okay, guys, we got it mounted up there. And now we could have took this on out a little bit further, but that's gonna work out pretty good because I've been wanting a light for this. And so that's gonna do great. And if I wanted, I could actually add another little reel and actually put the pressure switch on there, because you can turn it on and off here, and then right here just pushing it to put your light on, and we'll give that a try. Now, this is your battery compartment right here, and what you would do, you would just take this off if you was wanting to use the pressure switch, and just simply screw the pressure switch back on. And we're gonna see how this works. Now, you could mount this to a rail on like a AR, or over to the side, out of the way, and I think it's actually got, yes, it's got a little strap in here for your cable, so this wouldn't be in the way. You could get it up out of the way. And and what this will do, you can turn it on and off, or you got a pressure switch. You got an on and off switch that just, you push it and it stays on, and you'll see the light coming on there. Then you got a pressure switch, which you can just compress, and it turns the light on also. But I don't know, that would probably be all right. I could mount this over to the side somewhere and probably use this little strap. I'm gonna check this out real quick and see if this wouldn't work. Now, what I did, I mounted this up and put the pressure switch on. And they had a Velcro strap in there, and I just wrapped it around and kind of like bundled up the excess cord and folded it right up and under that, and it's out of the way. And now we can actually, you've got a switch right here, and that turns your light on and just leaves it on, or you can, let's see if you can change the modes on this. Yeah, but you can also turn that off and use your pressure switch back here. And you can push it twice, once for the light, twice for the strobe. And that's working out pretty good. So you've got your on and off right here, and that's just your manual switch, and this is your pressure switch, so all you got to do is just touch it. And I could bring this down to on my reel here somewhere and mount it up if I wanted to, because it's got enough cord to do that, and that might be even better. I will probably do that. I will bring that down and mount it up right here on the side, and where I can just touch that light and it's on. Not a bad little setup, guys. I kind of like that. And you got everything you need there to charge it, and an extra battery in case your battery runs down. You can change it out in the field and carry that along with you. What we'll do, we'll test this little light, putting some rounds through this and see if it jars off or we have any problems like that. And but I wouldn't think so. This light looks like it's well constructed. I mean, I don't think there's going to be any problems there. So guys, if you're interested in a little tactical flashlight by Feyachi, we'll leave a link. It'll take you to their site, and they got all kinds of products on there. I really appreciate them sending us some products, and it, you know, for reviews, and to bring you some new stuff out to take a look at. So guys, we appreciate you watching. We thank you for all those views and comments, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything, and give us a big thumbs up. It seems to help. And we'll see you all the next time out here having some fun on the Walk with Al. Thank you ever so much for watching. We appreciate each and every one of y'all.